What's up, Kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a That Nap Life video using this beautiful Yaki wig from Her Given Hair. I'm gonna do 6 different hairstyles I see on Instagram all the time. I wouldn't do it on my natural hair, but I'll do it on this wig. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Let go. Welcome back, Team Kinks. Today's video is sponsored by Her Given Hair. I haven't worked with them in the past. They have upgraded their units, y'all. They done sent me their blowout unit with the HD lace. That lace that looks like it's very skin-like. That's what they're rocking with now, y'all. This is my first unit like this, and man, my mind is blown, for real. Like the way, I haven't done any customization to this sucker yet, y'all. And look how that lace already looking. Okay, let's get into it, y'all. It's time to set and prep. So I'm going ahead and put this onto my head. We have to get this thing leveled and measured and all that kind of stuff correctly before I cut that lace. We can't just be cutting haphazardly, okay? So let's take a little closer look, y'all. So this is their HD lace. This is my first time ever even experiencing this type of lace. I've heard about it, but to now receive it, y'all, I haven't cut the lace, and you see how it's kind of already blending into my skin. You see how the knots are looking very scalp-like. That's the goal of the skin-like HD type of lace. And yo, I feel like this type of wig lets you do less work, okay? Now, I do have a lot of hair going on up there, but let's not focus on that, okay? Let's just look at this lace and how it's already looking like it's part of my chocolatiness, okay? All right, let's do a little customization, just a little bit. Not a lot is needed, as you can see. Not a lot is needed. I know any other person will probably say, oh, it's a lot of hair at the hairline. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll go ahead and pluck a little bit. Just a little bit, y'all. But as I look closer and I part it, I was like, this looks so scalp-like. I almost feel like if I pluck too much, I might just mess that sucker up. Because you know I'm not a hair plucking professional. Okay? So you know what? I said, let me leave that thing alone. I will leave it, and I will just let this wig do what it do. Okay? Plus, it looks like Her Given Hair kind of plucked a little bit for me anyway. Or it comes pre-plucked for you a tad bit anyway. And the amount that they took out, it's enough for me, y'all. Because I would never wear my wig straight back like this anyway, because I know it looks kind of wiggy like this, but I'm not going to worry about it. And most times it's going to be parted down the middle anyway. All right, let's get rid of this HD lace around here. I haven't did no tinting of this lace at all, y'all. So that's the goal of HD, to where you don't have to do no tinting because it's very see-through, it's very skin-like, it's very HD. Even the hair itself looks very similar to somebody with type 4 hair blown. It looks like Natural 85's hair. I'm sorry, y'all. If she was to blow it out, I think it might look like this.
Looking at how it is, I don't even think I really need to cut any baby hairs either. Like, really, I'm pretty Gucci'd. Look at that. I really ain't got to cut no baby hairs either.
So I didn't. But one thing I did say I will do, because, you know, there's a lot of hair on this unit, which I'm not complaining. Over time, you know, units start to, you know, get a little tired anyway. So I'm happy to start off with this amount of hair. But I know I'll wear this unit a lot in the middle, so I decided to define my middle part a little bit more. I might do the side parts later, but a lot of times when it comes to these straight hair units, I normally wear it down the middle. So this is it not plucked. This is it plucked. Very subtle difference, but there's a difference. Back to my comment earlier, I promise when I put this unit on and I was feeling the hair and touching it and looking at it and playing in it, I just thought, this looks like Natural 85's hair. Like when she be blowing out her hair, don't it look like this? Kinks, don't mind me. All right, so I decided to go ahead and do something more with this wig besides just wearing it straight. And we're about to have some fun. Speaking of having fun, we've been hanging out for almost 5 minutes. Let's keep the fun rolling by you joining Team Kinks. Hit the subscription button and the bell right next to it so you are notified the next time I'm all up on your screen. Thanks in advance. So I'm using my flat iron comb, and then I'm going to use a wand curler to go ahead and give me some curls, some wave type of vibes going on in this unit, okay? Look at all that volume, and the wand curls just brings it out even more. I'm like having beach waves type of vibe. I put a little bit of the airbrush spray on there just to give a little more, you know, but honestly, What lace? Okay. All right, let's set and secure this sucker. I'm not going for a hard secure. I'm not going for a tack down, take her swimming type of vibe. I'm not going for that. I just need a little subtle hold. So I'm going to use the Got2b glue spray. If I wanted a stronger hold, I probably would involve the gel. But that's not what she's going for today because, quite frankly, I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, I'm just doing this for the video, okay? Because y'all know what's going down in the world. We quarantined up, okay? But anyway, so with the Got2b glued spray, it's really good for a very subtle hold. I'm not going anywhere that I'm going to be sweating a lot type of hold. That's what you want to use the spray for. Now, if you know you might be sweating somewhere, it's going to be quite busy and moving, then use that gel. 30 minutes later, this is set and prepped, and wow, yeah. Did I mention I did no customization? Really, I didn't. Not even baby hairs. It's already there for you. This is probably one of the first unit that requires the least amount of work from me. Yeah, this is pop on and go vibes.
Okay, so now let's do some styles.
All right, we about to be styling and profiling. First style, of course, is this one. You know, wand curled up. We're going to call her Miss Ife because she just looks like love. She looks like she is love. She will give you love. She is lovely. Isn't she lovely? Hey, Miss Ife. Ife, girl. Hey, you better get it, girl. So, yes, Miss Ife, but don't get it twisted. She can still be a savage, okay? All right, next style, let's take it to the next level, okay? The next level is still simple, but requires a little bit of work from you. You know, you might need to know how to do a little bit of a cornrow. This is a loose cornrow because, again, I don't want to go too tight because, you know, it might lift my wig up. I ain't got time for that, all right? So, a simple braid in the middle, pin that sucker down, okay? What we going to call her? Let's call her Miss Oga. Oga means boss in Yoruba. We know she going to work, but she's definitely the owner of that work, okay? Don't mind me, y'all. All right, next style, we're taking it up levels. All right, level 2. We're gonna try pigtails, y'all. The little pigtail style, everybody. I have seen quite a bit of tutorials of pigtails on wig units. Quite a bit of it. So I'm trying it for the first time, y'all. Oh, wow. Okay, wait, come on, volume. What should I call her? You know what? Let's call her Miss Pepe. Because she's spicy, y'all. She's spicy and you cannot touch her. You might burn, but in a good way. Okay. All right, so let's just take it up one more level with the pigtails, keeping that same vibe going. But we're going to make it like that unicorn look. You know, everybody does that little unicorn look, the 2 pigtails going straight up. So we're calling this Miss Icon because it's an iconic look. A lot of people have done it. Well, now I'm part of those people who have done it. Okay, next style. So this is another level, y'all. So I'm going to take the braiding type of option on this one. Braid it down the side. I think they call these milk braids or so. Basically some loose cornrows, but just up to my ears. Okay, so we got cornrow 1 and 2. We're going to pull it straight back and then tack it down with the ponytail holder. This is an iconic look too, but I'm going to call her Miss It Wasn't Me. She looks innocent, don't she? But when mommy and daddy turn that back around, savage. And we are at the home run, y'all. The final style, y'all. This one took the most amount of arm strength from me, okay? My arms were on fire. All right, so this is the tuck and roll, y'all. Tuck and roll just in the middle of the wig, the middle of the unit. I can do a tuck and roll on my hair, y'all, but I can never do a tuck and roll in my hair being in its natural state. I'm gonna have to blow it out some to get that smooth look that tuck and rolls, you know, typically have. But anywho, it was a lot of fun doing this unit because it went smoothly right on through. All right, so I'm gonna combine all 4 sections into a ponytail, but we can't have these rubber bands showing like this and exposing our life. I'm gonna take a little hair, cover up the ponytail part, take hair jewelry and cover up each section. So when I first saw this style, I first thought Miss Imani from Coming to America. But at the further look, I was like, nah, girl, you somebody's wife. So I'm calling this Miss Iyawo. Iyawo means bride in Yoruba. This is some husband. Come and get your wife. She's ready. She's ready. This girl, fine girl with dimples, small pimples. We thank God.
All right, and throughout all that styling, all of that manipulation, the curls still held for the most part. In fact, it's even more glamour-like to me because, you know, they've been stretched out a little bit. But wow. Yeah, I want someone else to experience this lace, this full lace, this part wherever you feel like parting, and it will still look almost like it's from your head. Like, I want somebody else to experience no need for baby hair type of vibe. It's already there, the amount that you need.
Unless you are extreme and you want a lot more, go ahead. But as it is, it's enough. Like, I want someone else to experience this. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. The details for the giveaway I will post on my Instagram. So after this video, make sure you head over to NappyFu on IG and see what the requirements are. So if you're not on IG, it's cool. I got you, girl. I got you. Head over to the community page and see what the requirements will be. Cause this is just wow. I mean, I didn't bleach nothing. I just wow. Yeah, I want someone else to experience this quality. I really do, cause this is really good. Wow. It's okay, HGH. Excuse me. My name is Satisfied. Girls, this is like go out cute, okay? I'm about to go to the most popping spot that I know, Kitchen Pub, okay? Then I'm gonna hang out for a while in Dining Room Lounge. And then I might chill, have a little drink in Club Living Room, okay? And now we have come to today's Snapchat question. The Snapchat question today is gearing towards content for this channel. Whenever I do wig reviews, it's always going to be a natural hair wig because this is a natural hair channel. You know what I'm saying? I don't do many of these kind of videos, but when I do them, I want to make sure I'm doing it to your liking. So Team Kinks, if you're the type to watch wig review videos or wig tutorials, let me know. What type of details do you look for? What type of details catches your eye that keeps you watching? Trust me, your response would definitely help this kink out. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. By the grace of God, you will see this face holla up on your screen again. Until then, remember my kinks. My Team Kinks. Team Kinks, Team Kinks. My name is Kinky. No, that don't work. And remember, in order to have healthy hair, mind, body, soul, skin, all of that, you got to do healthy things consistently. Now, before checking out, deuces. Girl, this is like wedding day ready. Husband, where are you? Like, God, you know, I'm waiting on you, but I'm just, you know, I'm practicing, Lord. Ooh. What you say? I'm sorry? Oh, no, you can't just talk to me anyhow. No. Well, don't do that here.
If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful.